Hey guys, I am going to attempt to teach you commas after interrupters, introductory words, phrases, and clauses. I've never done a video like this before, so hopefully it works and everything goes smoothly and we kill two birds with one stone. I'm learning something and you're learning something. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Commas after introductory phrases. So if you look at the screen, you have the sentence, to save money, we are going to pack our lunch. If you look, to save money is our introductory word or phrase. I'm going to put a comma here. Underneath of the bridge, this is our introductory phrase. We're going to put a comma after that. After practicing for 2 long hours, that's my phrase. And put a comma after that. Now if you look, everything left of that comma, what can I do with it? I can take it out. And the sentence will still work. So I can get rid of this and have, we are going to pack our lunch. Still works. I can get rid of this. Lives a scary troll, that's inverted order. So I would just have a scary troll lives. Still totally works. Get rid of this. We finally went home. Totally works. So remember, everything left of the comma, you can get rid of. Okay? So add commas to this. If no commas are needed, write correct. So let's do some of these together, and then I will have the answer key for you so then you can check how you're doing on the other ones. Mark, please give me the answer to number 2. Comma after Mark. Looking down the hall, I saw several kids running. Looking down the hall. In the kitchen, I saw Mom and Dad talking. In the kitchen. Studying for a test is a boring job. I can't put a comma here, guys, because if I do, remember I can take stuff out. So this is correct. Jake, you need to go to the office. Put a comma. Hey, I think we should stop talking. Comma. Running on the cement, I slipped and fell. Put a comma here. Now look, I can get rid of this stuff that's left of the comma. So, get rid of Mark. Please give me the answer to number 2. Still works. Get rid of looking down the hall. I saw several kids running. It still works. In the kitchen, I can get rid of. I saw Mom and Dad talking. Still totally fine. I can't get rid of anything in 4. Studying for a test, I can't get rid of that because it is a boring job. You still need to have that. So this one, you have a subject verb, nothing introductory, you can't get rid of it. Jake, you can get rid of. You need to go to the office. That works just fine. Hey, you don't ever need that in a sentence. Okay? So moving on. Now, we've done this before with dependent clauses, so I'm hoping that this is a review. Looking at this sentence, what is the dependent clause? When I get home. And this one, even though she is mad at me, I'm still said I'm sorry. What's the dependent clause? Even though she is mad at me. Since I am the boss, I will get to tell you what to do. What's the dependent clause? Since I'm the boss, since I am the boss. Let's erase some of that. Okay, so now you know after dependent clauses, you still have to, you put a comma. So when I get home, comma. I don't like that. Sorry guys, gotta do a different pen. Even though she is mad at me, comma. Since I am the boss, comma. When your dependent clause comes first, remember it's dependent clause, comma, independent clause. Because left of the comma, you can get rid of it. I will cook dinner, still works. I said I was sorry, still works. I get to tell you what to do, still works. If it's independent clause, then it stays the same. There's no comma. Okay? This is a review. Hopefully we remember this. All right, let's just try it one more time. When I graduated high school, comma. Because it is cold outside, comma. When Dominic got on the bus, comma. Remember, anything left of the comma, you can get rid of. Okay, this again, guys and girls, is putting a comma after common expressions. So I will, of course, clean my room. You want to put commas around, of course. I think the Bears are better, in my opinion. The problem is yours, not mine, comma. Those letters, not those, are to be mailed today. Now, if you have it circling or commas in the middle of a sentence, what can you do with the stuff between the commas? Yep, you can get rid of it. So I will clean my room. I don't need that. I think the Bears are better. You don't need it, in my opinion. The problem is yours. You can get rid of, not mine. The letters, not those, are to be mailed by today. I can get rid of this stuff in between the commas and it still works. Okay, I want you to do practice 1 and then I will check it, or you will check it after you do the practice. I'll have the answer key. Okay, and we don't have to worry about the desk writing. If you want to do page 562, there are the answers. I will give you the answers once you are done. And that's it. Remember, guys and girls, that this was just to go over it. If you need more specific help, then just come get me and we can go through it again. Okay? Thanks.